So now we move to creating the DSM. The DSM, that's the digital surface model. So this covers both natural and man-made relief. So here we'll be adding our trees, we'll be adding our buildings. So we also come back here. The first step is to create the thing. Under your 3D analyst tool, go to your data management, then select thing and come and double click create thing. So under here, okay, let me call this our DSM thing. Then set the coordinate system. Then come here under this drop down, select everything because now we need everything, not just the spot height and the boundary. So now we must take note of this height field. This height field is what the thing will use to represent the terrain relief. So for this spot height, we stored our height field as Z. Change it to Z. This one too as Z. Then the building is correct. The build, which is our digitized buildings, is also correct height. The boundary to correct height. So you must also take note of this type. Yeah, these ones are point data, so they can be selected as mass point, mass point. But we want to clip it under our boundary, so we'll change this to soft clip. Then this our building should be the hard line. Then just select OK. So automatically it creates the thing. So this is the thing that is created, as you can see. So now we'll convert this thing to raster the same way. You close this data management, then open this conversion from thing, then you thing to raster, select it, then select the thing you want to convert to raster. That's our DSM thing. Then come here, we are going to save this as our DSM. Save. Then output, set our linear here to natural neighbors, set this sampling distance to cell size, default cell size, and select OK. Error in close. Sorry, let me redo that. Close. Select OK. So automatically it loads and creates the DSM. So I think it is done. We can put off this layer and see the DSM. So this is the DSM that's been created. So we are done with the two-dimensional part. Now we move to accent to work on the three-dimension.